Take a couple deep breaths. Just allow your body to relax, your muscles to just melt, for you to just be here, present, in whatever space you may be in. Just allow yourself to be in your space as you truly are. Just here. Thank you for being here as your true self. Thank you for being here with me, taking time out of your day. I really appreciate your energy you contribute to share and your light and love with me. I'm very grateful and very honored to be having these experiences with each other. Namaste means I see and honor the divine in you that is in me. Namaste. In this video I wanted to speak on the inner child. The inner child is your truest, most authentic being. And once you are in your space of presence, it blooms from that essence. Once you're in a state of pure observing, pure just here, just being, and not in the mental, personal self, your inner child will naturally resurface. When you look at a 2-year-old child, it's running so full of love, so full of joy, so full of unconditional love. It is because it is experiencing life as its most natural state. It hasn't been corrupted to start to fear himself, to be himself. It hasn't started to doubt himself, to be himself. It hasn't started to build these habits and programs and identifications. It just is pure expression, pure being, pure life. And that is resurfacing in you. As your inner child, that's how you enter this heavenly realm. If we were to pass on from this body right now and go into our next life, how we would be judged would be if our energy is in the energy of our inner child. If you are in your inner child state, the golden gates of heaven are open, because you're free. And if not, then we will have to go through this whole test over again. And that is okay. Even if you did go into your inner child state, some might choose to come back. And that is okay. But that's another video. Your inner child is like your divine magic compass that once you're in there, it's like you know what to do. You don't have to think about what to do. You don't have to do anything to do. You just spontaneously just living, just a ball of light, a ball of love, a ball of just tenderness, and a ball of just warmth. And it has always been there with us. It is in there right now with you. And maybe right now all you need to do is just peel away the thoughts by just observing the thoughts, kind of coming back. You're pulling back your attention. There is something that observes the mind. Even when the mind's there, fully activated, fully growing, fully on, there is still something that is observing the mind. And that observing the mind is you. That is, you are still alive within the whole chaos of the mind. It is that simple. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just allow yourself to be here. Allow yourself to, for 1 second, see that you're the one seeing the mind, the thoughts. Reconnect with that again, so that you can strengthen your spiritual muscles. That's how you strengthen your spiritual muscles. And once you strengthen your spiritual muscles and you're super spiritually fit, your inner child comes out. Your inner child is free. You've built enough courage and strength to be your inner child without the mind doubting you, without the mind of the world doubting you. You won't be controlled anymore by your mind or the mind of others. You won't be a slave no more by your mind and the mind of others. And in fact, you spark the inner child of others. You give an opportunity for the child of others to come out, because they will see that that's the true way of being. Our inner child is the only guardian that deserves our heart. It is the authority in our being. And I'm happy that we're having this great awakening, because I get to see it happen in so many people. I get to see it further expand in so many brothers and sisters. And it's just the most amazing, beautiful, humbling, grateful, you name it, blissful. It's just so much love, so much love. It's just like, oh yes, you can hug the world. Everybody can hug each other, and there won't be no thoughts or anything in the way, any kind of resistance. We can truly see the divine in each other, fully experiencing it in yourself, and someone experiencing it in themselves, and then us together. We experience this through these videos, but it's it's another thing to have it physically, the energy physically there. It's nurturing, it's healing. So allow yourself to just be present, to let your inner child come out again. It naturally, intuitively knows what to do. You know what to do. You are here right now. You are that inner child. You've been that inner child. We've just temporarily, just for a little bit, got distracted. Just for a little bit. Because, remember, we are infinite beings. So it's okay. Don't feel bad. The past is the past. It's okay. You are not the past. You are here, present, ever. So don't suffer from the past and don't suffer for the future. Our attention doesn't need to be there. And even if you try to put it there, it is impossible because you just can't do that. So, inner children, thank you for showing up. We are lighting this world up. It's shifting. The awakening is happening. Love is going to save us. Love was the answer. And you are feeling it right now. You can see it. Everybody coming together. How love is the answer. Love is saving the world. You can see it. It's obvious. The expressions when you open up freely and someone just receives you and they do the same thing and you receive them. Whoa! That is just magic right there. And that is our true essence, our true states of how we are to be, how we are naturally, how we've been. We've just been temporarily distracted, just for a little bit. But I'm so happy to be alive, to be experiencing these moments now in time, because the best is yet to come. Thank you guys. Just don't doubt yourself. Just stop the mind already. So many people, it's like they know already. You know already. You know already. You know you. Just stay here. Stay here. Yes, the mind's gonna come and it could be strong, but you already know that it's gonna come and be strong. Just observe it. It still needs you. It still needs you for it to be present because it's still, you still see it. It's not the other way around. You got this. You always had this. It just comes and it's okay. Just let it come. And just be like, okay, this thought is over here telling me that it's hot, that it's cold, that I'm bored, that this corona, that this things and this separation, those are just thoughts. You're still observing those thoughts. So you're still balanced, you're still in control, you're still here. It is when you identify with those things that then boom, you go out of your presence and all of a sudden you're playing out these roles and playing out these scenarios that never real. You shifted your timeline into that versus you could have been in this timeline of being present. Creating from this space. Living from this space. Spontaneously just being. Just nothing, no stress to do, no anxiety to accomplish or change anything. trust yourself, trust the universe. The universe is supporting you. I am supporting you. Just fully in your being, know, trust yourself, and trust the universe is supporting you, because it is. It has your best interest. The universe got you. You just gotta let yourself not be controlled by your mind, and it is there to serve you. It is that simple. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, showing up. Namaste. Amitabah. Peace be with you. All is love. Om.